Welcome back to my channel where today we'll be talking about the top 5 healthy smoothie recipes. Smoothies are a great way to pack in essential nutrients and enjoy a refreshing and delicious drink. Let's jump right in with our first recipe, the Green Goddess Smoothie. This smoothie is loaded with leafy greens like spinach, kale, and a hint of mint for an extra burst of freshness. Next up is the Berry Blast Smoothie, a colorful blend of strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries that's rich in antioxidants. For a tropical twist, try the Mango Madness Smoothie, which combines juicy mangoes, coconut milk, and a squeeze of lime. If you're a chocolate lover, you'll absolutely adore the Chocolate Dream Smoothie made with ripe bananas, almond butter, cocoa powder, and a touch of honey. Last but not least, we have the Protein Power Smoothie, ideal for refueling after a workout with a mix of protein powder, almond milk, banana, and your choice of berries. Now that we've covered the top 5 healthy smoothie recipes, let's talk about some general tips for making smoothies at home. First, always start with a liquid base like water, almond milk, coconut water, or green tea. Next, add your fruits, vegetables, and any desired add-ins like chia seeds, flaxseed, or yogurt. To achieve the perfect consistency, consider using frozen fruits or adding ice cubes. Don't forget to sweeten your smoothie with natural sweeteners like honey, agave syrup, or dates. Blend everything until smooth, and if needed, adjust the liquid or add more ice to reach your preferred texture. Smoothies are not only a great breakfast or snack option but also a convenient way to get your daily servings of fruits and vegetables. Remember to get creative and experiment with different ingredients to find your own favorite smoothie combinations. That's it for today's video on the top 5 healthy smoothie recipes. I hope you enjoyed it and found some inspiration for your next blend. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more delicious and nutritious recipes.